कंपनी एक सर्विस सेक्टर के अंदर है। समय के अंदर कंपनी की सर्विस को इंप्रूव करने के लिए आप उठा रहे हैं, जिसमें प्रकाश डालेंगे और सर पब्लिक पैसेंजर्स को ट्रेवल करने में बहुत ज्यादा सुविधा मिलती रहे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. I now invite Mr. Rami Kumar Naredi to unmute his audio and video and ask or give his comments. In the interest of time, may I request you to kindly restrict your question or comments to 3 minutes, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. So, good morning, management and my fellow shareholders. My first question is, currently Government of India hold 87.4% stake in IRCTC, and you recently appointed merchant bankers for offer for sale for a period of 3 years. So what is your plan about this? And the reason I am asking this question is recently one of the PSU company came up with the OFS, and after that the price came down to 50%. So my serious concern is whenever you plan the offer for sale, plan it properly, keeping in mind the interest of small shareholders. My second question is, as per the current circumstances, I know it is very uncertain, but I just want to ask by when we will reach to pre-COVID levels. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Naredi. I now invite Mr. J. Abhishek to unmute his audio and video and ask your question or give your comments. Would request you to kindly restrict your questions or comments to 3 minutes, please.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir? Am I audible?
Yes,
Am I audible?
we can hear you.
Yes, sir. My name is Abhishek, shareholder of the company. My DPID IN 301637 and client ID is 41359155. First of all, I congratulate the management on the eve of 21st annual general body meeting and the first annual general body meeting after the IPO. Sir, unfortunately, we cannot meet face to face this time, but hope to see you in the physical AGMs next year. Sir, we thank the management for having declared a very good final and interim dividend during the year. You have understood the pain of the shareholder they are going through in this pandemic situation, and you have supported the shareholders by giving a very good dividend. So I would like to appreciate the management for that, and hope that company will continue giving such dividends to the shareholders in the coming years also. And page number 40, sir, I can see that our details pertaining to Maharaja Express is being given, where we can see only 1074 tourists availed services in 2019-20 and 1142 tourists in 32 trips than they availed in the previous year. So the number of such a good initiative and a fantastic project by our IRCTC, but we can see the number of tourists in this particular train are very less. So I would request you to kindly give discounts and regular cashback offers and vouchers to the tourists, so that a small number of tourists can join in this particular Maharaja Express. And I would request you to kindly arrange a visit in the Maharaja Express for the shareholders, exclusively for the shareholders, on one particular day, by intimating all the shareholders, and interested shareholders can turn up, and also at a discounted price for the shareholders. I would request you to please arrange this particular trip. And sir, overall basis, the coronavirus and subsequent lockdowns have left virtually no industry untouched, and I think even our industry is being affected very badly in this past 6-7 months. So any employees we have hired, salary cut in percentage, if any, during this particular pandemic, I would like to know from you, sir. And what is the view of the management going forward? Sustainability of the profit earning growths are going to remain challenged in the coming quarters. And sir, I would request you to please take part in the investor relation exercise, like on call, quarterly presentations, and meeting global investors on a regular basis, so that this will increase the number of investments and we can see a good appreciation of the share price. Already our company has given us a very good return in the share market, but hope that in coming future also the management is going to give us a same return in the years to come. Then nothing much to ask, sir. Hope to see you in the physical AGMs next year. I wish the company and the board of directors a great success and prosperity in the coming future. Thank you for giving the opportunity, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Kalra. I now invite Mr. Santosh Kumar Saraf to unmute his audio and video and ask your questions or give your comments. In the interest of time, sir, I may request you to kindly restrict your questions or comments to 3 minutes, please.
नमस्कार माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, उपस्थित निदेशक सदस्यगण और मेरे शेयर होल्डर भाइयों बहनों जो आज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस की मीटिंग के थ्रू प्रेजेंट है, सभी को मेरा नमस्कार सर। आशा करता हूं आप सब डायरेक्टर, जितने भी अपने कर्मचारी, जितने भी हाई कर्मचारी, लोअर कर्मचारी जितने भी हैं और जितने भी अपने वेंडर हैं वो और उनकी फैमिली स्वस्थ होगी सर। सर आपको मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा सर कि एक तो आपने डिविडेंड 12.5 रुपए का टोटल डिविडेंड दिया, इंटरेस्ट मिला के बहुत अच्छा दिया, लेकिन सर एज ए मार्केट वैल्यू डिविडेंड बहुत यील्ड बहुत कम है सर। इसको ध्यान रखिए क्योंकि अभी 1% की यील्ड के आती है सर। एक सर मैं आपको धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा कि आपने 10 एडवार्ड और डेप्लोट दिए हैं, इसके लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। ये अपनी कार्य क्षमता को दिखाता है सर। अगर अपने काम करते तो एडवार्ड मिलता है, काम नहीं करते तो ये लगता है मैनेजमेंट ने काम किया इसलिए मिला सर। और सर मैंने एक लेटर भेज दिया मैंने आपके सेक्रेटरी साहब को, आशा करता हूँ उनको मिल गया होगा। तो मैं ज्यादा पॉइंट मतलब इसमें नहीं ब्रीफ में कहूंगा, उनको शॉर्ट के रूप में कहता हूँ, आप विस्तार से उसको देख लीजिएगा सर। एक तो मैंने कॉस्ट कटिंग के बारे में लिखा है सर, एक आपके डायरेक्टर लोग के कभी मैंने कैसे चलाने की चेष्टा की है, उनका भी आपको सीटिंग फीस, रेफरेंस फीस और कमीशन कटिंग के बारे में पूछा तो अगर विचार करें तो एक मैनेजर स्टाफ उनके भी कटिंग के बारे में लिखा है सर। एक सर जो मेरा कंसर्न है कि खाना देते हैं, ये जो चाय के कप होते हैं इसके अंदर जब चाय देते हैं तो उन लोग पूरा पैसा बिल नहीं देते सर। तो बेटर मेरी एडवाइस, और अगर बिल मांगते तो दूसरे पर्सन से शर्मिंदा करते सर। 10 रुपये का चाय देते आप क्या बिल मांग रहे हो, आपका इतने ही है। तो मैं चाहूंगा सर, एक सजेशन है मेरा कि वो चाय कप पे जैसे आप IRCT लिखते हैं तो उसके हिसाब में प्राइस भी लिख दिया जाए और क्वांटिटी भी दिया। उससे क्या कि आदमी को पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा, वो बोले भाई इतना लिखा हो फिर क्यों मांग रहे हो, है कि नहीं, डायरेक्ट बोल सकता है, तो बिल मांगने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी सर। एक सर जो अपने जो एडवाइस आपके जो खाने की पैकेट है जो भी उन पर क्वांटिटी और प्राइस अगर लिख दिया जाए तो आपको जो आप बोलते हैं कि मैंने गेट पर चिपका है तो गेट पर कोई नहीं देखता सर, वो आता तब देखते हैं। तो बेटर उनके पैकेट पे भी प्राइस जैसे लिखा जाता है तो अच्छा रहेगा, जैसे अपने और कंपनी जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्राइस देते आप लिख दीजिए तो अच्छा रहेगा सर। एक सर मैं आपको एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि जो अपने टिकट जो है हम लोग जब काउंटर से टिकट लेते हैं तो उसकी हम डेट चेंज कर सकते हैं रिजर्वेशन एक्स्ट्रा देने के बाद में, लेकिन जब IRCT टिकट बुक करते हैं तो हम उसकी डेट चेंज नहीं कर सकते सर। उसको टिकट को वो कैंसिल करवा के फिर बुक करनी पड़ती है सर। तो जो कैंसिलेशन चार्ज जो मेरा एक्स्ट्रा लग जाता है सर, रिजर्वेशन चार्ज लगता है नहीं, कैंसिलेशन चार्ज लगता है। इसका आप सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करिए जिससे कल निकल कई कारण से डेट चेंज करनी पड़ जाती है सर। तो ये डबल चार्ज एक परसेंट का अच्छा नहीं है सर। इसके अलावा सर मैं और क्या कहूँ, आपको फीमेल एम्प्लॉय बढ़ाइए सर। अपने तो ना ये रेलवे में है सर, मैं चाहूंगा जो वेंडर है ना उसके अंदर आप नियम बनाइए कि वेंडर में 90% फीमेल रहे सर, क्योंकि फीमेल जो होती है उनका मैं समझता हूँ कि सिंसियर ज्यादा होती है अपने लिए, तो उनसे क्या कि मैं समझता हूँ करप्शन जो आप कहते हैं करप्शन होता है, खाना नहीं तो कमती होगा सर। फीमेल की संख्या में उनको जॉब भी मिलेगा, उनकी फैमिली डेवलप करेगी सर। एक सर डिसेबल एम्प्लॉय का भी संख्या बहुत कम, उसको भी ध्यान दीजिए सर। एक डिस्प्यूट केस अपने 169 पेज उसका भी ध्यान दीजिएगा सर। एक सर मैं चाहूंगा कि जो वीडियो को मीटिंग इसको कंटिन्यू रखिए सर, ये बहुत अच्छा कंसेप्ट है। मैं समझता हूँ लास्ट जो फिजिकल मीटिंग हुई तो उसमें कितना खर्चा बता दीजिएगा। अभी जो है उसका 90% सेविंग होता है सर, और सबसे रहा है सब अपने अपने जगह से अटेंड करने का, सब पे एक आना नहीं पड़ रहा है। मैं जो पिक्चर देख रहा हूँ उसको अपने घर से अटेंड कर रहा है, कोई अपने ऑफिस से अटेंड कर रहा है, कितना अच्छा रहा सर। चाहे लॉकडाउन हो, चाहे कोविड हो, चाहे स्ट्राइक हो, चाहे बरसात हो, चाहे प्रदूषण हो, दिल्ली में होता है, कोई डर नहीं सर, हम आराम से अटेंड कर सकते हैं। मैं कलकत्ते से अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, अभी भिलवाड़े से मिस्टर नरेंद्र ने अटेंड किया, आपको चेन्नई से अटेंड किया, तो कैसा लग रहा सर। तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट ये मीटिंग कंटिन्यू रखिए, और फिर एक बार सर आप लोग वहां से प्रातः आप सब स्वस्थ रहिए, जितने भी मैनेजर स्टाफ होते हैं, जितने भी अपने स्टॉक होते हैं, सब स्वस्थ रहिए और कोविड को पीछे छोड़िए सर। अब अपने कोविड ने तो जो दिया है उसको ग्रहण करिए, डिजिटलाइजेशन दिया है हमको, दूर दूर से रिमोट से मीटिंग करने का अच्छा मौका दिया है सर, इसको ग्रहण करें। कोयले में खाना बनाते थे, अब अपने घर में इलेक्ट्रिक में खाना बनाते, उसको भी आगे सीखे थे। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आने वाले त्योहार पे आपको मेरी शुभकामनाएं सर। दिवाली पर भैया दूज पर, क्रिसमस पर, आपको जिनका त्योहार है छठ पूजा, उन पर मैं शुभकामनाएं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ सब स्वस्थ रहे, उनकी फैमिली स्वस्थ रहे और आनंद से घर में रह के मास्क लगा के त्योहार मनाइए। जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय श्री राम, नमस्कार सर।
Thank you, Mr. Saraf. I now invite Mr. Rahul Jain to kindly unmute his audio and video and ask your question or give your comment. I would also
Yeah,
request you
can I-
kindly restrict your questions to 3 minutes, please. Yes, we can hear you,
Yeah,
Mr. Jain.
Sure. Good afternoon to the entire board members and our fellow shareholders. I wish you all good health. My question is, annual report we have mentioned that rail catering industry is expected to grow at 7.5 to 8.5 GR over FY 2024 to rupees 14.5 billion, 15.5 billion, which is quite conservative given the announcement of price increases for both catering segment on board as well as static during the previous fiscal. So can we assume that these hikes in price will not be implemented anytime soon due to COVID factor? And if these are going to be implemented, then when should we, read this happening? Is the first question. Secondly, the significant underutilization of rail near capacity at the moment, we have committed to our plan on building more capacity. So what is the rationale on this aspect? And lastly, given the current business situation, would not it be better for the company to look for divestment plan much later when the financial prospect for the company are far better placed rather than looking for it? I know it's not an immediate mandate, but just a comment on this would be helpful. That's it from my side.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. We now invite Mr. Shripal Singh Monhut to unmute his audio and proceed to ask your question. Mr. Shripal, can you hear us?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Shripal,
Hello,
we can
hello.
hear you now. Yes, we can hear you, sir.
आवाज आ रही है सर मेरी?
Yes, we can
Hello.
hear you.
हाँ जी आ रही है बस।
हाँ, आप सबको मेरा सादर नमस्कार है। मैं श्रीपाल सिंह मोहनत बोल रहा हूँ गुरुग्राम हरियाणा से। मेरा फोलियो है IN 30051321718605। श्रीमान चेयरमैन साहब, आपके डायरेक्शन में कंपनी ने अमूल्य 21 सालों में बहुत अच्छी तरक्की की है और आगे भी इसी तरह तरक्की करती रहेगी। इसके लिए मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ। IRTC हर यात्री व सभी भारतीयों के दिल में बसती है। कंपनी की प्रगति आपके मार्गदर्शन का फल है। इसी मार्गदर्शन में कंपनी की प्रगति का आईना दिखाई दे रहा है। आपका सेक्टर डिपार्टमेंट बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है। टाइम पर बैलेंस शीट व नोटिस मिल गया है। वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग AGM आपके और हमारे लिए एक नया अनुभव है। इसको समझने में श्रीमती सुमन कालरा जी ने अपना अमूल्य समय निकालकर हमारा मार्गदर्शन किया है। इसके लिए मैं उनका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। आप सबको सादर धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Mr. Shripal.
थैंक यू।
I now invite Mr. Prakash Chand Galat to kindly unmute your audio and proceed to ask your question.
Yes,
Mr.
Prakash Gallara here.
Yes, we can hear you, sir.
IRCTC website needs to be more user friendly, and I don't know how many languages it supports, but if it can support more number of languages, it will be very useful. And all the best to the management for the future. Cancellation charges also can be reduced a little bit. That is what I feel. Thank you very much.
Hello. Now senior citizens are given very good concession. Those who enjoyed children's ticket at half the rate during their younger age, now they are enjoying 60 years above half the rate. Today's children are paying more, or they are issued a ticket at half the rate without any seat. Please look into the younger generation. They will curse the past management. Those who enjoyed are enjoying extra. What Britishers are even earlier independence period also, there is no concession for senior citizens. Myself a senior citizen, but my children have to pay for their children the rate, not full rate. Please look into it as a common gesture. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Galat. So that was the last question from the participants.
So I'll address the issues. First I'll address the issues raised by individual speakers, and then maybe in brief I'll comment on the future plans of IRCTC, as somebody was mentioning about diversification and all. So I'll mention that. Coming to Mr. Jasmeet Singh, he wanted to know about the operations of private trains, new trains, and for many new trains ventures which Indian Railways privatizing. So we started with the private train operation last year, that is on first train between Lucknow and Delhi was flagged off on 4th of October 2019, and second train was on 17th of January between Ahmedabad, Mumbai. Third was Kashi Mahakal Express, of course, that ran only for a few trips, then this COVID thing came up. So, as per original projections given by consultant and as per demand analysis and market survey done by us, these trains were to break even in later part of year 1 or beginning of year 2. But with superior service and assured travel time by ensuring a limited refund in case of delayed operation for the first time in India, we could manage a occupancy level and fare level that Lucknow Tejas was almost breaking even in first 6 months of operation. When the operations closed in March, it was on verge of break even. And surprisingly, Ahmedabad Mumbai Tejas, there was break even since day 1, which was a unique thing which we achieved, and we were also surprised. But yes, in that sector there is demand for travel, for a superior travel, for a better travel. So there is a scope for such trains. There is demand for such trains in India. And now that Indian Railways are coming out with a big plan for private train operation, and we have participated in that, we also want to enter into a big way. So we hope that this segment will be a new area for IRCTC, and as on date within country there is no other operator who has any experience of running any corporate train or private train or trains similar to this. Now Mr. Chopra mentioned about, of course, he appreciated, and then he was worried about performance of 21. Yes, all of us are worried about performance of 2021 because of this pandemic. And our first quarter results are out, and you must have seen it for the first time. This was a balance sheet in loss. But I am happy to share that we may come out of it soon. First quarter was pretty bad because there was no train operation for almost 2 months. So as and when this train operation is picking up and train movement is picking up, I'm sure we'll also come out of red. Then Mr. Lokesh Gupta mentioned about stay arrangement. So this is just to inform that we had tied up with Hotel Association of India and National Hotel and Restaurant Association of India, because they are also they approached us. We had a meeting, and they wanted us to work on the line of other OTAs and have a tie-up with us for a limited commission, unlike other OTAs who had started fleecing them. So we had one agreement with their chapter of North India, and a broader agreement was proposed to be signed on 21st January at Jammu, but then it was postponed because of this pandemic coming up. So we have, this is just to keep you informed that we already have tie-up with this Hotel Association and Hotel and Restaurant Association, and their North India chapter they are signing, and the moment situation improves, all these agreements will be finalized, and this will be a new business stream from IRCTC. Mr. Ashok Gupta mentioned about fast food chains. Actually, these fast food chains are basically set up at space allocated by Indian Railways to IRCTC based on demands of station and demands from customers. So as and when it is allotted, we immediately go for it. Mr. Ravi Reddy spoke about a plan for divestment. Frankly speaking, sir, we have little say on this. So it's basically decided by Ministry of Finance when and how much to divest. Now his second query was when would we reach pre-COVID levels? Pre-COVID levels, I'm sure, all of us are suffering from this. Once this fear for travel goes away, fear for movement goes away, then I'm sure once this mental block is removed, within 1 quarter we'll be back to pre-COVID levels. Mr. Abhishek mentioned about capacity of Maharaja, bookings in Maharaja. So just to inform that this is not a normal train where 1000 passenger travel. This is a train which has capacity of 74 berths only, 74 cabins, 74 seats in 37 cabins. This altogether different product, but certainly we will consider a visit for shareholder and maybe a discounted rate for shareholders also will work out, sir. You also asked about job cut and salary cut. We are one of the resilient organization with a very flexible working model. Job cut and salary cut are perhaps the easiest option to save on expenditure, but then it has long-term impact on morale and culture of the organization. So we had not thought of it, and we have so far managed well. And in view of future what we are seeing, I don't think there is any need for this to demoralize our staff, because ultimately it is the employee and staff of the organization who drive the organization. Yes, some perks and privilege cut was done at directors level and GGMs level, which is not even 1% of the tops. Then Mr. Saraf mentioned about bills that we will look into, sir. We will certainly take care of it. About ticket date change without any cancellation charges on IRCTC tickets. This is an issue to be sorted out by Ministry of Railways. We will approach them, but there is one basic difference, sir. There is a difference between a ticket taken from window and ticket taken from IRCTC, that even a waitlisted ticket taken from a window is considered as authority to travel. And if a person is found with that on that particular train, he is not treated as passenger without ticket. Unlike that, a passenger who is found with a waitlisted ticket issued through IRCTC system on that train, he is treated as passenger without ticket. Anyway, you have addressed, we will certainly approach Ministry of Railways. Mr. Rahul Jain mentioned about hike in prices of catering and underutilization of rail near capacity. Hike in price of catering was to be effective from November 2019 for postpaid trains where food is sold against cash or money, which was implemented, and in case of prepaid trains, that is Rajdhani Shatabdi Duronto, this was to be effective from February, as advance reservation for 4 months was already done. In the meantime, this pandemic, because of this, it could not be implemented, and we are working with Ministry on various models to sort this out. Underutilization of rail near capacity, I believe there is some misunderstanding, because all our plants are running at more than 88-89% capacity. This may have a reason because we commissioned 4 plants in last financial year, and in first year of its commissioning, any plant's capacity is restricted to 30%, then it gradually goes up, and third year it becomes 100%. Then Mr. Mani Sundaram mentioned about website being more user friendly. So unlike other websites, we have certain constraints. Primary constraint being of the huge demand supply gap, and that demand supply gap within first 5 minutes of operations is starting. That is when advance reservation starts at 8 to 8:05, when Tatkal starts 10 to 10:05 and 11 to 11:05. So that is the time when many unauthorized softwares, that is what we gather with many unauthorized agents, vendors, they approach our website through unauthorized software, and they take bulk of the tickets, depriving individuals of the ticket. So at times we deliberately make our sites slower, so that these software, so to escape the software, sometime minimum time taken is how much? 40 seconds. 40 seconds is minimum. Before 40 seconds, nobody can take the ticket. So that is why we have to put, and there are a lot of efficient people who can claim to get ticket within 15-20 seconds. But we put hurdles so that nobody is able to take before 40 seconds. Otherwise, every ticket will be taken away by software. So anyway, still your suggestion is welcome. We will look into that. About these cancellation charges you mentioned, yes, there is a policy decision to be taken by Ministry of Railways. Then at last Mr. Bharat mentioned about various kind of discount, senior citizen and all that. Is a policy decision to be taken by Ministry of Railways. Now, these are some of the queries. Yes, hotel tie-up I have already mentioned. New trains we are entering. So we are trying to diversify more and more. We have a young team which has been put on the job, and I am sure that company will keep on performing good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. We have one question from Mr. Yusuf Rangwala. He has now connected. I will add him to screen right now. Mr. Rangwala, if you could kindly unmute your audio and video and proceed with the question. Would request you to kindly restrict it to 3 minutes only.
This is a 21st. After 4 years, we will complete a 25th year. My humble request. So after 4 years, sir, any bonus in this 4 years, sir, and what as I was hearing, you are starting some catering and some. Sir, I would like to have a discount. I am joining all the shareholders, asking same policy and my good wishes for our. And I am very thankful to the forest people who have done a very good work, and we are very happy to sir. उनको इधर अपना एजेंट रखिए और उनकी सर्विस सर बहुत, और मैं आपको सब शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ। और आपको सर अगर हो तो बॉम्बे में सर कुछ गेट टुगेदर रहेगा, बुलाइए सर। लिस्टिंग में मैं आया था और आपसे मुलाकात थी सर, और अभी तो सर आप दिल्ली बैठे सर, आपसे मुलाकात नहीं होती है कभी। आप बॉम्बे का कुछ हमें बुलाइए, हम आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं सर। और बस मैं सर इसी से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ सर।
धन्यवाद सर।
बाय सर।
बम्बई आएंगे जरूर मिलेंगे आपसे।
Thank you, Mr. Rangwala. So that was the last question that we had.
Since Q&A session is over, the icon for e-voting is available on the screen, which will redirect you on a separate window to the e-voting portal of NSDL. The e-voting facility will be active from 11:30 a.m. and will be closed 15 minutes after the closure of the meeting. The results of voting will be declared by 12 hours tomorrow and will be intimated to the stock exchanges also. Now I would request Srimati Rajni Hasija to give a vote of thanks.
Namaskar, a very good afternoon to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks to our chairman and managing director, Shri MP Malji, board members of the company, representative of the Honorable President of India, Mrs. Vandana Bhatnagar, and valued shareholders, statutory and secretarial auditors of the company, NSDL and Chorus. I would also like to thank Mrs. Alankit Assignments Limited, registrar and share transfer agents of your company. Last but not the least, the entire IRCTC team who has really slogged hard to bring this company to at this level. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.